No one should work this hard. This many hour. It's not good. It's not healthy. The pain isn't just physical, it's emotional, mental, spiritual. My ears, my brain, my heart. They hurt. I don't recommend this for anyone, but I had to do it. Because if I didn't, Tesla would die. When we started our first company, my brother and I couldn't afford an apartment. We lived in a small office, slept on the floor, and showered at the YMCA. We had just one computer. During the day, the website was up. At night, I coded. 7 days a week. Every waking hour. I briefly had a girlfriend, and to be with me, she had to sleep in the office. I worked in every part of the Tesla factory, the body shop, paint shop, general assembly. I slept on the floor next to the machines, because I had to. There were times we were just weeks away from death, financially and operationally, but I didn't quit. If you're putting in 40 hours a week and someone else is putting in 100, guess what? In 4 months, they'll achieve what took you a year. That's the math of obsession. Building something that matters will break you. But if you stay with it, if you don't quit, it will also define you. You don't need to be extraordinary to achieve something great. You just need to choose not to be ordinary.